Anybody that actually checks out my Facebook or any other thing, this is what a game major game design and development major actually does for our college stuff.
It's chicken. We're gonna punch it for sound. Now I want you to know that this chicken is cruelty-free, because we only produce sound with ethical treatment of animals. We don't have to treat it ethically now because it's dead. Just to let you know. So no animals were harmed in the making of this sound effect. No.
Well, no live animals.
Well, you can't harm dead animals. I'm sorry. You can't. I mean, it's for eating, and we will try to make sure that. I honestly don't cook it, so you know, we'll try to cook it, and if it does turn out that it's bad or whatever, we'll make sure that it turns into compost or something. So it is ethically. We're trying to be very eco-friendly with our birds. Okay,
So for the sound, first we got to make sure that we're in a quiet zone. See, the door's open. You can probably hear Dr. Olive in the background walking around with his keys. Now the door's closed. Quiet, besides for our nice little air fan. Is that an Omni or is that Uni?
Maybe it's a Uni. I know I think it comes out of this side and this side, but we do get a good sound when we talk into here.
So it's most likely an Omni also.
Probably. I'm looking on here and I don't really see.
Okay, I'm going to teach y'all a lesson. You have two different mics. You have Omni, Uni, actually three, and all around.
Oh, okay, all right.
Omni does everything. They can hear everything around. Uni only hears in one direction. In one direction.
The table a little bit closer for it to plug into the computer. Holy.
And then the way that they're actually using the cord, it's going to be
If you hold on to that while we...
using phantom power, which is a power source that is not plugged into the wall, like,
I figured we did everything right here.
and not using batteries. Damn it!
It's broken, it's your fault. We have it on video.
We're going to use this one.
That's what I'm thinking.
Do you think we have enough room for it?
I'll hold mine.
Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce everybody. I'm Daniel Sample.
I'm Ed McMahon.
You bet.
I'm Daniel Stagno.
And I'm Adam Campbell.
You could have been Jimmy Carson. Are these things dynamic? They're probably not dynamic. Or did Brett say that they were dynamic? I don't remember.
I really don't remember too much. I got 100 on each one of those quizzes. I don't remember.
The problem when you study the night before.
I studied the 5 minutes before.
That too.
That should be
How would you judge yourself when you're punching that? Would you say that's a light punch?
Yeah.
Okay. You might want to take your ring off too. Well, just so that we don't, yeah. Alright, that looks like it's a good level. Alright, let's try this. Recording. Producer USB. Alright. Recording on track 1. Go ahead, give me another punch.
Oh, that's good. You have plenty of room.
Yeah, we have plenty of room, which is weird. Alright.
Actually, you know what? The harder I hit it, it looks good. Because those are like light punches.
Yeah.
That's more of a heavy punch.
Alright, let's give it a whirl then. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
There's
Yeah,
some
that
static noise in there. I felt like every time I lifted my hand up, I heard like a crinkle, but we'll see if it.
Sound on?
Turn the sound up. This thing that's too good.
Let's see how. Well, I think you switched it.
Well, you definitely made it here. I can see it.
Sounds really.
Sounds really low.
No, it's just not. Oh.
Wait. Did you?
Stuff muted?
Oh, no, you got it there.
It's in there.
Yeah, you got it up here. That's what I was worried about.
Where's your output?
Right there.
No, your output for your audio.
It's right here in the middle.
No, not there. In your system preference, what is your output and the audio?
I put it to internal speakers.
Okay.
I think I did.
Yeah. Top right. Output. Well, that's fine.
Okay,
That's
so
working.
Internal speakers.
Internal speakers built in. Sounds all the way up. Showing you in bar. You know what? I'm just gonna save this. It might be that.
That is just continuously looping, even though you
Star Wars.
even though you changed or you've been messing around with the preferences, so try to play it again.
I think this might be like Windows, maybe.
Okay, this was kicking.
just beat the hell out of that chicken.
Punch the chicken.
Touch me right here. Yeah, that's it.
Salmonella!
Yeah. You won't put your chicken hands on the hat, but you put it.
There you go. You can see it breaks open.
Oh.
Salmonella!
This is wrapped up like 3 times.
So absurd.
Hello.
All right, let's do this. So I'm recording now. I need to get a mic check real quick.
Try to lift up the chicken this time and punch it. Maybe we won't get the sound table.
Yeah,
The sound table. The sound from the table.
I can hear the bag though when you did that.
that's true. You can hear the bag. Why don't you just put it on the ground?
Maybe we can put a low pass filter on it.
Well, you could.
Get rid of the bag sound. Or we can just put it on the
Well,
ground.
okay, here. Why don't you take the bag off and do some mild hitting, like light hitting in your hand. So you hold it and you're just going.
Hopefully it's not broken open yet. You're hitting it pretty hard, though. I don't know.
Look at all that blood.
Just in case.
All right, so give it a good smack. Yeah, that sounds kind of good. So let's get this closer. Here. There's some wetness here, but I don't think it's from
No, it's not
chicken was in the bag.
It's probably because of condensation.
No, it's just a drop. It looks like someone spit or something.
Adam, have you been spitting in it?
Still making. So 2 hours of. This is 5
Video
seconds
game
time.
sound effect.
All right, give me a light hit on it.
That was a light.
That was a light hit? That was good then. That was really good. Okay, so we got it going through here. We're good, and we're recording in 3, 2, 1. Okay.
I tried to get some different hits in.
Yeah, that was good. That was good.
They didn't want it all to sound the same.
All right, try doing. What did you do that with your right hand?
Yeah.
Try with your left hand a couple of times, just to see if we can get a different pitch. Because you're getting them right and left and right and left. I don't know.
Oh.
Okay, cool. So let's try this then. Alright, so I am muting that, and we're recording on this channel. And we're stop soundtrack. We're not no, I said stop.
Well, you're gonna beat it up?
Soundtrack's like, I'm gonna keep playing.
Why not do a combination of the thing, of it?
I don't think we need like necessarily a big right, left.
Yeah, you could easily just chop it up and use the...
Try hitting it on its side. Like, I know that we can get different sounds on it somehow.
I don't want you to get chicken juice all over the place. Or chicken juice on your hand.
Just try to hit it right now.
I just figured you get a better follow through.
Drippage!
It's starting.
Here it goes!
Yeah, but that does produce a different sound. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it before the chicken.
Before.
It's probably saying, hey!
Before it starts bleeding. Bleeding.
Hemorrhaging!
Porky pig for a minute there. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Bitches be crazy. Keep them in line.
I think that's it. I think that's good. What do you think?
Good.
We'll listen with the phone, but let's wrap it up.
So cold.
Yeah, I'll.
Might want to go put it in the fridge while you
I'm
got
gonna
a
put it in
chance.
the fridge, but I'm gonna put it in
Might
a
wanna-
trash bag first so it doesn't leak.
Oh,